Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and turn on your post notifications and also subscribe. So if you guys are familiar, you guys know I have my eyebrows microbladed and I do have oily, acne prone skin. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I pretty much cleanse my skin at night and in the morning. I always start off with my Neutrogena face wipes, or I guess these like makeup remover wipes or whatever. You use whatever it is that you feel comfortable with. I like to use these as opposed to just wasting a ton of like cleanser to get rid of I guess the makeup. This is what I like to do, totally up to you. I find that it is a little bit more gentle on my skin than like all the rubbing and unnecessary stuff. So as you guys can see, I do have issues with discoloration. I do randomly get little bumps on my face, and yeah, I'm getting too old for this, so we gotta figure out something. So this is my little routine. I've kind of gotten back into that, and I will use as many face, I guess, wipes to kind of get rid of it. But for a cleanser, I use my Fresh Soy Cleanser. I will leave all the details down in my description box below, of course. It smells really, really good. It actually smells like cucumber and like mint. It does leave my face really, really fresh and clean. You guys, I love this stuff. Literally wet my face with some water, go ahead and apply the product to my brush. I will leave the details to this brush in my description box as well. And I kind of just go over my face in circular motions just to really get rid of any impurities that may be there. But this brush is really helpful because it also vibrates, and so it kind of gets deep into the pores, the areas that I can't really get to. So you want to do this until the brush is clear. Go ahead and wash your face off, and then I usually pat dry my face. I don't usually like scrub it with like a damp towel. Usually like to use a dry cloth. So just to kind of seal everything in and further get rid of the bacteria that may be still lingering in my face, I take my tea tree oil and go over my problem areas. My boyfriend hates this because, of course, all up under him, he's just like, you know, the tea tree oil is kind of strong, so just be aware of that. It is a very strong smell. I take just a tad bit, and then I go over my face with one of these quartz rolls. I guess it's like a roller for your face. It actually stimulates the blood flow to really just kind of resurface your face, and then allow, I guess, the blood to kind of just really be moving around so that you can restore, I guess, the natural oils and all those things that are in your face. I'm not explaining that right because I don't know all the details, but I will list that down below. I like to use it, get rid of my redness. And then for moisturizer, I take my Fresh Rose Moisturizer. You guys, I've been using this for like 2 years now. It is a bit expensive, but it's definitely worth it. It does not burn your face. It doesn't leave it feeling sticky. It hydrates my oily skin without overkill. And then I take my Wander Glow, which is kind of like, it has these really small little crystals in it, so fine that you would not even like, you don't feel them, but it leaves your face looking really glowy, really hydrated. So this is going to be one of those go-to products for like in the summer. It's not overly oily to where it's clogging the pores and undoing what it is that we did. You guys see how soft and sheer that is? So pretty, and it really gives your skin a nice soft glow. So if you're looking to kind of just wake up without having to do the full makeup routine, that is the steps to pretty much get the job done. So take some coconut oil or some type of lip moisturizer just to go over these dry and crusty lips, and that is pretty much this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Really simple face routine. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Again, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and there will be more skincare videos on the way. I love you guys. Stay pretty. See you guys next time. Bye, babies.